I went to IKEA and I wanted to get a couple things for my business, but I also took a lot of video to show you guys what maybe you could use in your business or your household. Let's see how my field trip went. Put the short straps of the bag on here. That's what you put your stuff in. This is the childcare. I used to use the childcare for my kids. Check in there. You get an hour of free childcare while you shop. And I used to come here with a book and sit on a couch and let them babysit my kids. I don't know. Never claimed to be the best mother, but did my best. Oh, these are cute bags. Okay, these are similar to the FRAKTA, but with cute prints. Oh, I like it. Well. They suggest laundry, groceries. They're really sturdy. That's cool. Every dorm room should have one of these. I don't know what to think about that. I just got here. I can't start filling up my cart just yet. Okay, $49 for dollies. If you like pink dollies, I kind of like that idea. Interesting. You guys, I think I need one of these. Dang it. What color? Right, they have this tape, packaging tape. $4.99. It's really cute, too expensive, and they have this tape dispenser, which is actually very sturdy. Storage boxes, really cute prints. Here's what they look like set up. Yeah, we can do better. So here's where I'd sit at. Sometimes when my kids were young, I'd just find a couch like that. Like there's a TV, I had a book, my kids would be just a couple steps away from me for an hour, free. You with the little kids out there, take advantage of IKEA. And then you can take them to lunch because they have a cafeteria in here. They have some really cheaply built couches and they have some really decent couches, so don't be afraid to come look at furniture. That's what I need right there, something like that. That's the one my husband wants.
Ladder. Oh, it's not ladder.
Fun bright yellow shelf. The Billy bookcase. Lots of different colors. It's just a good size. Smaller ones out there. And wall cubbies. They're built pretty well too. They're sturdy. Just pressed wood. got ugly here. Let's fix that. These are kind of cool. They're not super cheap. 119. That's not bad. For smaller items, and it's not so bulky, and it just is more pleasing to the eye to be open like that. I like that. Don't need it though. Not really here for shopping. I love these. Let's see if I can find the one that I have. I have this one, but mine's black. It's called the Alex. And it's $67.99. You can add doors to the shelves or drawers. I love this unit, and if I remember, I'll show you how I use it at home. I actually set it on its side, so it's not upright like that. It's on its side, and I have my record player on top, and these squares fit the records perfectly, so that's how I use mine. This is a nice size one too. It's a little smaller. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. But good for storage of all kinds. And you can put them upright or sideways. And they have more of a square. These are nice. It's called Alex. Can fit this under a lot of office desks and store tissue papers, poly mailers. It's $89. It's a little pricey, but I have a different style of this on wheels. I'll probably see that while I'm here and show you. They're sturdy. All kinds of workspace tables. So you could take that drawer and just put a countertop on it, on two different ones, and have a desk.
Yeah, this is 23.
I love this table. It's adjustable, but they have a cooler one than this. I look at it every time I'm here. I'll show you in a little bit. But this is, I like the architecture of that. It's nice. Okay, we've got some taller units. These are kind of pricey, but not compared to other places. I mean, it's not terrible. $159. It's called the Alex. Could put a lot in there.
I don't like that.
I'm with her. Okay, this table. Scarves. This one is adjustable in height. Oh no, something's wrong with the handle. It must. There we go. So you can go up or down. But there's a better one than that. You can get pegboards for your wall with different accessories. Base price of that is $59.96. That's for 4 pegboards. If you've ever priced out pegboards, they're expensive, so that's not a terrible price. Okay, guys, here's the table. Let's see if we have it plugged in. We have some nice chairs too. But it's adjustable, electric. I love this. I'm obsessed. Like, I want this table so bad. But here's why I don't get it ever. I've been looking at this thing for like 2 years. It's $379. For what it does, it's not really terrible, but it's not a necessity is the thing. But how cool to like take photos on that, right? But that's absurd to spend that amount of money for photos. Let's be real. Or anything. But you can use it for so much. Come on. Let me talk myself into it. They really do have some, like, that's not a chair I would want because it's too short in the back, but it's made well. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Dang. What the heck? I don't know about the height of that. That is for like someone way taller than me. I guess it's a desk. So, okay, that back part pops up. Sorry, they have overhead lights everywhere here. But this is where all your cords can go and whatever. Yeah, for cables and cords. That's the Alex disc, $149. It's cable ready. Really, I want that table though. That's electric. Now, if you're gonna redo your kitchen, if I were redoing my kitchen right now, I'd be here doing the shopping for it. Seriously. I'm not redoing my kitchen because I want out of my house in 2 years or less. And whoever buys the house can redo my kitchen. But they have really nice stuff. Their cabinets are really nice. Like, they're lit up underneath. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff. IKEA is the place to go. Soft close cabinets. I know the lighting's not great. I hope you saw that. I love IKEA kitchens. You just have to have it installed professionally or know how to do it yourself, because whether it's going to last or be quality is due to the installation. Like, you can get everything. You get the sink, faucet, the dishwasher, the stoves, the fridge, the ovens, everything. Countertops. It's really beautiful. But we're not here to look at the kitchen stuff either, are we? But I can't help it every time. These are one of the items that I love here. They're, you see, this is $34.99. That's a little pricey. Oh, here, $29.99 for this cart. Okay, why I love these? I own two. First of all, I own a charcoal gray. That one's black. Mine's charcoal gray, and I own a cream color. That one's white. So they change the colors here and there. I've had one of mine for about 3 years, and the other one I bought about a year and a half ago. These are awesome because the casters on them are really good quality, and you can just roll it around wherever you need it with all your supplies. One of mine has cleaning supplies, and go figure, one of mine's full of jewelry stuff. Raskoff, I don't know. Get the cheaper one there unless color matters to you. Sometimes they run sales on those, so you might wait or go online and see if they have a specific color on sale. Here's some little containers. I actually have some of these as well. What is the price of this? I don't know, they have different sizes. The small one is $2.79, and they're just good. I use them in my pantry. I use them in my business to organize things. This is a good size, and they're sturdy plastic. Okay, they have a lot of bed frames to pick from. I only think there's a couple that are really worth getting here. That one is one I believe. It's fairly sturdy. Yeah, this is one, and there's one other. They may have added some. I've looked here before. I've never purchased a bed frame. My neighbor did, but so they have these systems that you can attach to your wall in your closet or anywhere. I mean, so let's see what the pricing is. $82.99. I don't know what it includes. If it's just the, I don't know how much of the system. I think it might be the entire system that you see there. It's not terrible. You can work with it. You could add to it as well. Let's see what's over here. Okay. Shoe rack. I don't know. It's really, storing shoes like that isn't effective for me. It takes up too much space that way. Yeah, it's $83 for everything you see here. Maybe for someone, not for me. This one's very basic wardrobe. The shelves. And this one, I'm not going to pronounce it, but it's $129. And you can just see they have all kinds of stuff you can use in your closet in your bedroom, and this is $17, and it's essentially, I've looked at it before, it's got a wire frame, not wire, but metal frame with 2 shelves, and it's this canvas zippered cover to keep things not, you know, to keep things dust free. Say if you have to store some things in your garage. Oh my god. I'm sorry about the kids screaming. But anyway, it's that, and it's on sale for $16.99 right now. It's like a hanging rack. And then 3 cubbies down here in a shelf. It is $1.99. But what I would do with that, honestly, let me move back so you can see it. I think what I would do is put casters on it, and you can just roll it wherever you want it. You know, sometimes at the end of the year you need to spend some money for tax write-offs. These are items that will be great for your business. They're stylish. You can use them, and you know, if you ever decide to not be a reseller, you can still use these items, and you wrote them off. But if you have young kids, there's some good stuff. Like, look, they have fun things. Little chairs, $79 for a kitchen set. They have a lot of good stuff. Stuffed animals. Okay, so we're halfway through the store. We're halfway through the store. They have a cafeteria where what they're known for is their Swedish meatballs. And you can feed your kids here super cheap. Let's look at their little menu. So they've got barbecue chicken wrap, vegetarian chicken wrap, blackberry summer salad. They're open till 8:30 on Sundays, 7:30. They have more than that, but I don't really want to walk through there. Oh, here we go. Here's the other menu. Sorry, guys. That must be their specials, because here's their normal items they always have. So that's their Swedish meatball meal. Chicken tenders. There's the salad. Salmon salad. Vegetable balls. Braised lemon chicken leg. Yum. That's new. I don't really eat here that often, but I have dietary restrictions. Salmon fillet. There's a little kids meal. $3. If you get the chicken tenders, it's $3.49. So that's pretty cheap. Feed your kids while you're shopping. It's kind of a reward. Halfway through, you know, you just keep saying, if you behave, we'll go have meatballs. There you got some chocolate cake. So, not bad. Yeah, that chicken looks good though. What business doesn't need something to make coffee with? So they've got their French coffee presses for $9.99. You can buy your coffee, your cup, and your crisp bread. Right here. Who knew, IKEA? I did. Okay, wow, that's a lot of cookies. Okay, these are their ginger thins. They're really good, guys. They changed their packaging though, which is probably more environmentally friendly. Oh my god, but guys, get these. If you like ginger cookies, if I could eat these, I'd be buying them right now and eating half that bag in one sitting. They're so good. And here's another cart. This one's like a dusty blue. It's a pretty color. See, they ever-changing colors in these. They don't even make the colors I have anymore. Kitchen accessories, pots and pans, silverware. One of my favorite items that I own. Well, I'll show you several. I have quite a bit of stuff right here. I have those 3 sizes of platters. They stack nice and they're great for parties. Love them. There they are. This is the glassware. I have tons. Coffee area. Let's see if they have a coffee cup. Ooh, I like these. It's like a percolator espresso pot. Put it on your stove top. For $19.99, but I like the Italian ones better. The Italians know what they're doing with that kind of coffee pot. These placemats can make good backdrops for photos of small items. So don't disregard those. I love these mats. I like these. I own those. Actually, I have them in the square version. Those are rectangular. Also, hello. Lighted mirrors. Shower heads, curtains, the drawdown shades. I'm not saying necessarily from here, but I use some from Lowe's, and like, let me see if I can. Okay, here's one, a sample. You can literally just pull down your backdrop for your photos if you do clothing or whatever, and roll it right back up and just not take up your whole wall when you're not using it. So they have different sizes, different widths, I should say. So don't disregard using stuff like that. Mine came from Lowe's. Oh. Up to 50% off on some while supplies last. So always look for the sales, because especially when you know the new catalog stuff is coming out, which it is, I believe. Okay, I don't know if anyone still uses this, but it was a really big deal that everybody would use these sheepskin skins, or there's these are real sheepskin for $29.99. They also sell faux, but people would use this as their backdrop on their photos. I don't know. I don't see it so much anymore because I think it was overplayed maybe. But it always looked nice, I have to say. But even just a rug, a simple rug for $3.99 could work as a great backdrop. This is nice too. It's just a doormat. You could even put a couple at a different angle and have that as your backdrop. That'd be fine. And guys, that is $3.99. I'm tempted. Should I just do it? I think I'll try one. If I like it, I'll come get a couple and then I can kind of angle them. This is the rug that I love so much, but it's way too pricey for me. I'll show you the bigger. I just think it's so gorgeous. If I felt like blowing a big wad of cash right now, I would so get this for my living room. It's a bit crazy and wild in color, but I like that out of a rug. And then I have, you know, basic, boring furniture. That one's cool too. That's $600. But you go anywhere and you're gonna spend at least that. Here's a little doormat for $89. Don't let me do it. No, leave, Tracy, leave. It's too much. Alright, so this is $89. You could attach this to your wall and have hooks and a couple shelves if you just had a small area to work with. You know, everything is different for everybody in this reselling game. We all are working with different budgets. We're working with different space issues, with different business goals. I mean, come on, it's like you make it what you want to make it. I love these hooks here. I think they're awesome. They have the single, the triple, and that one has four. So, all kinds of hooks. That's a cold coat hook. I don't know. Then these are always cute. These hooks you attach to a wall, and they look like a little doggy butt. And the FRAKTA bags. I usually get them up front, but they have them over here too. So let's see what we can get. That's really why I'm here. Okay. If you guys have watched my videos, you know I love these bags for storage and my inventory. Let's see what price they are here. Okay, they don't have them right here. Yeah, they do. These are them. Okay, FRAKTA, $4.99. And it's, what's weird is the other ones are called FRAKTA as well, for $1.49. And then these FRAKTA are $1.29. So they've got the medium, the large, and the storage bag. Oh, these are cool. Let's look at these. Nice tote bag. I like it. How much are you? $14.99. No, thank you. But it's cute and it's nice. It's very, very sturdy. Okay, what am I here for? I'm going to get one zippered bag and let's see, I gave away most of my extra bags during the green room event because I really wanted people to have them. I think these are the mediums. I've really never owned the mediums, so maybe it's time to get, I don't know, 5. And if those are the medium, are these the large? No. I don't know. Okay, those ended up being the large ones. So these are the medium, which I'm into. I've never had any. And I think I'm gonna love these for groceries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Under cabinet lighting, love that. They do their under cabinet lighting really well too. So don't question that. You can just, you buy each part separately. It's kind of weird, but usually some of them are just a kit, but most of them are separated. I've got a few of those. Oh, okay, then you got all this dramatic statement lighting. Let's see if I can find the cool one that I have to play with every time I come in. Their kids' lighting is fun too. Like, let me get closer. Their wall accent lighting is super fun, like balloons, stars, clouds, houses. It's just too cute. Love it. so fun to decorate a kid's room. It's always a blast. Okay, here's my funky light. I love it so much. It's like white and rose gold. See if I can get it to show up. Hold on. Here's the piece de resistance. So you have it just a globe with some glow through, or I love that. It's fun, super fun. Very dramatic. How fun is that? That looks like a real pain in the you-know-what to dust. Wow. Okay, so they have different sizes. Here's my lights that I love. Like there's the one I, was showing you, and then there's a larger one also that's like silver and white. These are weird. Carpet lamps, no thanks. People don't get those. Yuck. Chalkboard with hooks and segmented. That's fun. It's actually on sale for $14.99 right now. The Malarna. It's good size too. Okay, then you have the glass boards, which I like because these are $19.99. The notice board, CLUD, I can't pronounce these words. But this you can use those dry erase markers on, but yet it's a nice clean look of glass. I like that, and I also like these, but I like the glass better, I think, because it blends in. But these are like a, what are they? Magnetic silver color board. Well, that makes it cool too, that it's magnetic. But you can also write on these with the markers. You have all kinds of decorative dishes that you can use as organizers, as props. Look how cute the hourglass is with the little gold beads. That's fun. Super fun. I don't know if you can tell, they're like gold. Very cute. They have pink also. Moss balls. Just all kinds of things that you could get creative with your props. I wish I was a creative person with my props, but that stuff slows me down. So I just, like, look how cute these faux cactus, like ceramic cactus pots are. Those are really awesome, actually. But I'm a person of little need. Okay, here's a fun little thing, which I kind of need to get some. I think I probably will put the camera down and pick some out. But they're fun flowers. Sometimes they're really nice. Some of them are kind of gross, but really a lot of them are pretty nice. Okay, tons and tons of faux plants all back there, which is great for a lot of us. I do prefer real plants. I just never keep them alive. I try though. Okay, orchids. Pretty good price, $15. That's normal, but you have to pick a really healthy one and never pick them when they're all bloomed already. You want lots of buds on it so you have plenty of life left. This is a really cool plant. I'm super tempted. Very cactusy, but even cactus I can kill. So for $29.99, I will pass. Although I don't think that's a bad price, it's just not for me. I've already killed one of those. It was cool while it lasted. I think I overwatered that one. Cool plant stands. Why do I always have to touch cactus? I don't know. I just have to. It's tempting, right? It's tempting. It's sharp. I've already checked. Okay, these are the areas that if you want something from the front, the store that we've already gone through, and you had a bin number you had to write down. This is where you pick up those items. If you've never been to an IKEA, a lot of the bigger items, you just write down the number on a piece of paper and with a pencil. They're throughout the store. I should have showed you. But if it's your first time coming into an IKEA, I suggest go ahead and find someone that works here and just ask them to give you the lowdown. Oh, my favorite area, besides the bag area, besides the food area, we're gonna go to the food area too. Not the cafeteria, but the food to take home. As is, I've gotten so much stuff in my business here, like white tops, countertops to use for backdrops, shelves that are heavily discounted because there's something wrong with it usually. So this has no doors. Big deal. So like this is $54. So sometimes I check this out first before I even go. This is like for a teeny tiny area. It's a shoe cabinet. Still kind of pricey. Display model, that's why they're selling that. It was just the model, the floor model. Oh, there's my rug. Dang it. Dang it. $454 showroom. Okay, so it was their display. It's got snags. But honestly, no more snags than it would get being used. But I still don't want to spend that price. You can get books. Last chance. That's what this section is. You can get weird books. That's funny. Hangers, pillows. Yeah, just always check. I gotta get some of these. Gluten-free, non-GMO. These are amazing. They're cinnamon buns. They're $4. They're 6-pack. I'm not getting them, but if I could eat them, I would. These do not say gluten-free like the others, but they are. I think one of my kids will love the sour ones better. If you can't spoil them with candy, what can you spoil them with? Come on. They have like bins of loose candy at $7.99 a pound. You can mix and match. They have Swedish candies here. Marabou. Oh, these are so darn good. Oh my gosh. They're so good, guys. They have, I think it's hazelnut, almond and caramel. Like, it's like almond and toffee in there. I don't know if they're really gluten-free, but I've had them. And they're so good. I'm not getting them. I gotta get myself together. Okay, here's what I came for. They have their meatballs that you can buy frozen. I do not buy the normal meatballs because they have wheat in them. But I buy the chicken meatballs because these are gluten-free and they're good. The taste of Sweden today is raspberry cookie with cream filling. No thank you. Thank you, but no thank you. Chocolate cookie with cream filling. They're not telling me what the drink is. Oh, here it is. Rhubarb drink. Okay, I'll try it. Why? Because I've never had it. I don't need it. These are so good, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, and it's gluten-free. Dang it, I'm gonna have to get it for my kid. He and I will have to eat that. It's good. It's different. So do I want the chocolate with crunchy caramel, or do I want the Swedish almond cake with roasted almonds? I haven't tried that one. I already know this one's good. So I'm going with it, but for some reason they're partially open. This one's not. Oh my god. See? Gluten-free. But full of fat, I'm sure. Oh my god. It's called a treat, people. Don't judge. Guys, I gotta get out of here. You can easily spend 2 hours in here if you're shopping. If you have an IKEA near you, go check it out. I don't think you'll regret it. Anyway, have a good day.